What does sustainability mean for electric vehicles?
Sustainability, in the context of electric vehicles, goes beyond simply using electricity instead of gasoline. It involves considering the full environmental impact, how cars are built, what powers them, how long they last, and what happens to them at the end of their life. Understanding these factors is crucial for judging how green electric cars truly are.
Clean energy, the source, matters.
Electric vehicles produce zero tailpipe emissions, but their environmental impact depends on the source of electricity. When powered by renewable energy like solar or wind, EVs have a much smaller carbon footprint than when charged with electricity from coal or natural gas. The greener the grid, the more sustainable electric cars become.
Battery manufacturing, hidden costs.
Battery production is one of the most significant challenges to electric vehicle sustainability. Making batteries, especially lithium-ion types, requires mining materials like lithium, cobalt, and nickel. Mining and manufacturing can cause pollution and use a lot of energy. So, improving battery technology and recycling is essential for truly sustainable electric vehicles.
Longevity and recycling, completing the circle.
A sustainable electric vehicle should last many years and be easy to recycle at the end of its life. Advances in battery durability and recycling programs help reduce waste and recover valuable metals. Closing this loop ensures fewer resources are lost and reduces the environmental footprint over a vehicle's life.
Beyond the car, infrastructure and lifestyle.
True sustainability also considers the charging infrastructure and the broader ecosystem. Easy access to public charging, green manufacturing practices, and smart urban planning all play roles in maximizing the benefits of electric vehicles. For real impact, the shift to electric must include both cleaner cars and smarter systems to support them.